Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of wasting electricity on devices that are turned off but still drawing power? I've got a game changer for you, the BindmMaster 2-prong single-port power adapter. This top-rated and best-selling adapter is a must-have for anyone looking to save money and reduce their energy consumption. When you switch it off, it doesn't draw any power, which is a huge plus for your wallet and the environment. One of the features I love about this adapter is the light indicator, which switches to orange when it's on, making it easy to see from across the room or in dark places. The high-quality build is also impressive, with a robust 125V, 15A, 60Hz, 1875W, and ETL-listed certification, giving you peace of mind when using it with your devices. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice among those who value efficiency and convenience. I've been using the BindmMaster 2-prong single-port power adapter for a while now, and I can feel the difference it's made in my energy bills. The compact design also makes it easy to take with me on the go, and the sturdy texture gives me confidence that it will withstand heavy use. In real-life use cases, this adapter is a better choice than others because it's designed with the user in mind, providing a simple and effective way to manage your device's power consumption. Overall, the BindmMaster 2-prong single-port power adapter is a great investment for anyone looking to save money and reduce their energy consumption. With its money-saving features, light indicator, and high-quality build, it's a must-have for any home or office. So why not give it a try and see the difference for yourself? If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.